Hello, I'm Chanda from GeoNova Labs, and in this video, we'll learn how to create a web application through AI. So firstly, we'll navigate to Google and we'll search for Boat AI. So once you search for Boat AI, you'll find this first one, that is bot.new. So we'll click on it. Once it loads, we are going to find this interface. So on this site, we'll now navigate to the Get Started button. And here you can log in either with your Google, you can sign in with your GitHub account, or you can sign in with the email and password that you have made for this particular system. We're going to sign in with Google. So this is the site you're going to get once you have signed up. Once you are here, you click in this box and you paste a prompt that describes exactly what you want to create. For us today, we're going to create a background remover app that will help us remove the background from images. So I'll upload this prompt and afterwards we'll click on the go ahead on the arrow there. So once that is done, you realize that Boat AI will start now coding your entire web application without you entering any specific type of code. So as you can see on the right, it's done. So this is your preview window where you see how the app itself looks like. So this is what it has created. So what we'll do is basically click on the upload file button and get any particular image that we want to remove the background. So maybe we'll select this one. So finally, you have a functional app, and this app is called GeoRemover. At this stage, you have to look for a site or a system that you have to get an API. And this API server will give you an API key. So an API key is like a unique code that allows an app to access and use a specific service or feature. And this is a quick and easy way of making a web app. So this Boat AI can give you the complete code that you can roam through, change it and edit it to your liking, and at the end of it all, have a functional web app. For more smart content like this, like, subscribe, and share.